lot of bad name due to its high calorie values. But let me tell you, all fats are not bad. Actually, no nutrient is bad if you know how to take them in a balanced way, in moderation. Now, there are majorly two types of fat that you can find in your food: saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fats are usually solid in room temperature, and too much saturated fat is not good for human body. But the unsaturated fats are the good fats and generally found in nuts, seeds, oily fish, vegetable oils like sunflower, soy and olive oil. If you look at unsaturated fatty acids, there are again two types of unsaturated fats: polyunsaturated fatty acids and monounsaturated fatty acids. Under polyunsaturated fatty acids, there are omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, and the sources for them are again oily fish, olives, flax seeds, etc. Sometimes our daily diets may be deficit of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acid is an essential fatty acid, which means your body cannot synthesize omega-3 on its own. You have to take it externally through food. In order to help meet the requirement of this essential fatty acid, it is ideal to take Herbalifeline every day, twice daily after meals. Herbalife teamed with Dr. Louis Ignarro to develop this blend of highly refined marine lipids that contains omega-3 fatty acids, especially Eicosapentaenoic acid and Docosahexanoic acid. Omega-3 fatty acids help to maintain healthy cardiovascular system by maintaining triglyceride levels already within a normal range.